Hey guys, this is one of those videos you don't want to miss. This is the easiest and the simplest way to fix a slow leak on your car. If you have a nail or a screw on the tire of your car, this is how to fix it at the comfort of your home. You don't have to take it to the mechanic. Watch this video, see how you can do it yourself at home. And all the tools that are used on this video, there'll be a link on the description of the video, so make sure you check out over there. There'll be a link. Click on that link. It's gonna take you where you can buy these tools, including this pump that you can air your car at home. Simple stuff and not much skills required. Just watch this video and you believe me, you can do it at the comfort of your home. Fix your tire and go to wherever you want to go. Stay tuned. This is the man Jeff Carbuoy. Hope this video will be helpful. Stay tuned. right guys, that's how you fix a tire with a slow leak using simple tools that can easily be found. Make sure you check on the description of this video. All those tools will be attached there. There will be a link where you can buy those tools. Don't forget to test whether the tire is leaking after you air it and you're using a soap water. And as you can see, it all worked. So make sure you stay tuned. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and stay tuned guys. Thank you for watching.